The site of Last Longer Project, a renovation project by JR Architects that brings harmony between history and contemporary design in Tainan, Taiwan. The site of Last Longer Project is a two-story building with an area of 113 square meters, designed as a combination of a studio on the first floor and a living space on the second floor. The owner of this project deeply values the history of this old house and requested the architects to preserve architectural elements that hold local memory. Therefore, the design team carried out repairs and reconstructed various characteristic elements commonly found in Taiwan, such as the Chinese-style arch used as a window symbol. Additionally, original materials like terrazzo, floral patterned iron railings, and wooden structures were carefully retained. The project is located in a residential commercial area where future urban planning changes will make the back of the house the main entrance. As a result, one of the main challenges in this project was how to transform illegal extensions and outdated construction equipment into an attractive facade and entrance. To achieve this, the building's design followed the existing structure, with some walls dismantled to create a new, simpler, and more geometric facade. The once worn concrete walls were given an eco-friendly paint finish. The exterior walls were painted white to reflect sunlight, while the balcony walls were painted gray to enhance the effect of shadows, creating a high contrast that highlights the building's form. One of the most innovative steps in this project was the partial removal of flooring to create an internal courtyard. This not only opened up the previously cramped space, but also improved air circulation and natural lighting within the house. The courtyard is directly connected to a green area that is open to the surrounding community, allowing neighbors to enjoy greenery and light without fences or barriers. With this concept, the courtyard becomes an element that unites the studio and living space without unnecessary separation. To incorporate nature into the design, some steel reinforcement bars from the original structure were left intact after the floors were dismantled. When sunlight passes through these bars, a grid-shaped shadow is cast onto the courtyard, adding a striking visual effect. Additionally, a tree was planted in the courtyard, giving the impression that the house is embracing the tree. This allows the residents to experience seasonal changes firsthand from within their home. This project successfully revitalizes an old building while preserving its architectural spirit, seamlessly integrating modern and natural elements. The Site of Last Longer project is more than just a renovation. It is a reinterpretation of how historical structures can adapt to contemporary needs without losing their identity. That concludes the review of the Site of Last Longer project, an exceptional example of how history and modern design can blend harmoniously. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more home tour videos on Unit 2. See you in the next video.